Yo, eto may nauumay na ata sa kanta ni Laika na hawak mo or yung mga usual na kinakanta niya na gusto ko nang bumitaw o Holy Night. So may nag-comment sa TikTok na wala na po bang iba. So eto, kumanta si Laika Estrella ng She's Gone. Let's go! Mamaw talaga. Nice, I love that. Galing. Nice. Ako yung natatakot sa kanya. Di ko lang alam kung namamao siya or intentional yung paos niya. But it seems to me na parang her voice was not in the best condition. Pero grabe, napakatapang at napakahusay, man. Woo. I think that was mixed. Grabe. Yeah, no? Mixed voice. I think that was mixed. Grabe. Grabe. Grabe yung range ni Laika Estrella. Super wide. But I have to be honest, there were parts na akala ko talaga pipiyok na siya. It was a mind-blowing range. No, talagang napakatapang ni Laika. Alam niyo ba yung kumakanta ng She's Gone? Ito yung mga taong matatapang talaga regardless of gender, ha. Babae ka, lalaki ko, kung ano ka man, no? Regardless, grabe. Napakatapang ninyo. And Laika really gave us something to look forward to kung ano pa yung kayang-kaya niya talaga sa kanyang boses. But I have to be honest again, although biased ko si Laika, I love Laika, idol ko talaga siya in terms sa kantahan, no? But I have to be very honest na akala ko talaga there were parts na pipiyok na siya kasi nga namamaos na siya. I don't want to assume na paos siya, but I suppose that she's really not in her best condition during this time kasi malalaman mo naman talaga yung namamaos sa nagpapaos lang, or I mean yung intentional. But you know, regardless, she's a mamaw, certified mamaw talaga. That's why she deserves the title na tawag na tanghalan champion. So let me know in the comment section kung ano yung masasabi nyo or ano yung comment nyo dito sa performance ni Laika Estrella. So yeah, chat tayo sa comment section, okay?